All right, this one could be the ultimate turnaround trade. Ever since Herbert Joly took the helm of Best Buy, he's been trying to combat competition, especially from online retailers. So Best Buy's been aggressively working on its website. It's also made store-within-a-store partnerships with Apple, Samsung, and Microsoft. And it's focusing on cost-cutting by closing some stores and selling its European joint venture. These tactics seem to be working. You get shares up almost 160% this year. And with the company opening its books on Tuesday, should you begin getting the best of the Best Buy revival? Let's bring in the panel. We've got Alex Steele with the story, Joe Feldman with the strategy, Scott Bauer with the trade. Alex, turnaround stock here?
Oh, you either love or you hate this stock. That is what I've learned as I poured through this analyst report. So look, no one's really expecting this quarterly result to matter that much. It's all going to be about that holiday season. But the company has still suffered 3 straight quarters of net losses and falling same-store sales. So you mentioned where Best Buy stands, right? We have major cost-cutting going on, opening up stores within stores, right? Samsung and Microsoft taking a bite out of that pie, and price matching to get people to buy in their stores, not just window shop. But Trish, the big problem that comes up here is margin pressure and cash flow issues. Will increased sales be enough to offset a lack of margin? So they figured out how to compete. Now they need to figure out how to make cash.
Yeah, it's a good question, Joe. Can they figure that out? How are they going to make money?
Well, I think they will figure that out. I think as sales trends start to stabilize, I think they're doing things on the service side to help drive gross profit. But the truth is, their free cash flow yield is among the best in hardlines retail. They're still, despite all the pressures they've had, have among the best cash flow generation.
Are you satisfied, by the way, Joe, with their online strategy?
Oh,
I mean,
well,
we don't want them to be just the warehouse for Amazon, right? Or the showcase for Amazon.
No, absolutely not. And now that prices are basically at parity with Amazon, and in states where you've seen the tax collection, like California, New York, and other states like that, where the taxes are charged on online goods, Best Buy's been competing very effectively.
All right,
effectively.
Let's go over to Scott Bauer. What are you looking at for a trade?
You know what, Trish, this thing has had just such an incredible run, and for all the reasons that you said. But it's time now to take a little off the table. They're going to come out with their numbers, and I think what you're going to see is margins are still compressed. The competition is bigger and better than ever. What I would do is sell the August weekly call of next week, the 32 strike call, for 80 cents. Okay, right now the stock's trading 30.5 or so. This thing can rally all the way to 32.80 by next Friday, and I still break even. Anything under $32, I collect the entire 80-cent premium.
All right, good idea.
Yep.
Thanks to the whole gang. Alex Steele, Joe Feldman, and Scott Bauer. Adam.